listening to Hillary Clinton here, about to begin her remarks in Cleveland.
Well, thank you. Whoa. Well, you just heard the next vice president, didn't you? In addition to thanking Marcia Fudge, let me also thank your great Senator Sherrod Brown. Also, excuse me. Also, two other great members of Congress, Tim Ryan and Joyce Beatty. And your mayor, thanks to Mayor Jackson. And I hope that Ohio will send Ted Strickland to the Senate. Now, behind me are some of the great labor leaders of our country. Randy Weingarten, Lee Saunders, Rich Trumka. I'm proud to be on the same stage with them because they're always fighting for working families. Now, once I get over my allergic reaction, let me say that we're here in part because we know how important this election is to Ohio. It's not just, as Tim said, that Ohio is one of those battleground states you hear about every 4 years. It's that Ohio represents everything that's great about America and all of the challenges and the opportunities that we face. That's why this election is critical to every person in this state. And what I want to emphasize is I know we can't face our problems alone. We have to work together. We believe we are stronger together. And that is in stark contrast to Donald Trump. Remember what he said at his convention. He said, "I alone can fix it." Now think of what that leaves out, my friends. That leaves out all of our troops on the front lines. It leaves out our police officers and firefighters who run toward danger. It leaves out doctors and nurses who care for us. It leaves out teachers and educators who care for the most important people in our lives, our children. It leaves out everybody except him. And when he says, "I alone can fix it," that clearly demonstrates he doesn't understand how America works, how we got great and why we are great today, and what we need to do together to face the future. Because our campaign...
We've been listening to Hillary Clinton speaking in Cleveland, Ohio. That is Tim Kaine right behind over her right shoulder, speaking about the type of campaign she wants to run and the optimism she has. And also, if you've been watching for a while, she had quite a coughing fit at the very beginning of the address. She even joked at one point it's part of her allergy to Donald Trump, and she got through that. Joining me now to discuss, Igor Volsky from the Center for American Progress Action Fund, and Lawrence Jones, a conservative radio host from The Blaze. Igor, I hate to start with optics over substance, but that's one of the worst coughing fits I've seen for her, and yet this is a part of campaigning. I was talking earlier with Hallie Jackson about the shots of Donald Trump out at the fair. She is out there campaigning a lot. She would get these sometimes in the primary as well. When your voice gets very hoarse, Bill Clinton famously lost his voice completely in a run up to the New Hampshire primary, and then made it about his work ethic. What did you think of what we just saw there?
Well, look, it's Labor Day. We're celebrating hard work. Campaigning is hard work, and she's been